If you have been in touch with Yoruba speakers at this period, one common greeting you must have received or said yourself is Aku Ọdún tuntun or Eku Ọdún tuntun, which is the Yoruba way of greeting for the new year. In Gesi, English, this would roughly translate to you are greeted for or you are greeted in respect to the new year. I would like to use this lesson to bring to you Echo Meta, three lessons that can be derived from this greeting. Let's go. In our example, we have these two possibilities, and a, at the head of the sentence. Means you all, while a means we. If we simply use to make the greeting, this will carry the meaning you are all greeted for the new year. But I could also use a, which means we, because I wanted to endearingly include myself in the situation or greeting. That is, we are all greeted for the new year. We are all celebrating, right? When making utterances, we have a focus that is being talked or written about. The rest of the sentence usually points to this head. Because they are important, we can also call them the subject of the sentence. They can either come as names, nouns, or words that replace names, pronouns. Ku is regarded as the greeting word in Yoruba. This simple yet powerful word has no direct translation in Gesi, English. When it is used, what you are actually doing is you are greeting your audience for or against the particular event or time you wanted to greet them for. This is why we use it to say Eku Aro when we greet people for the morning. Eku Ewuomo when we want to salute a woman who has just put to bed. Why? For surviving the risk of childbirth. We can also greet for this. Eku Asheku Ọdún after a particular celebration has been concluded. And in our case today, we are using it to say Eku Ọdún tuntun. The use of ku is limitless. Just use it with whatever you want to greet for. You are good to go. Try this. Ọdún in our expression means year. But interestingly, Ọdún has another meaning which could point to the things we celebrate like anniversaries, festivals, and celebrations of sorts. So we could have simply greeted and stopped at Eku Ọdún, which may mean I'm greeting you for the celebration. This is perfect. But because we wanted our audience to know that we were greeting for the new calendar year, which is beginning today, and not the second meaning, which is celebration, we described it further by adding tuntun, which makes it year, new year. Now, what did you notice? In Yoruba language, the descriptions generally do not come before the main words, they follow. That's why we said Ọdún tuntun, which in English is said as New Year. Lẹ́ẹ̀kansi, in Yoruba, you say the main words first and then describe. Ẹ kú ọdún tuntun.